Struggling to climb stairs, carry a shopping bag, or join the grandkids in the park? You're not imagining it. After 60, our muscles shrink and weaken faster than before, and that loss chips away at our independence, balance, and energy. But here's the hopeful truth. Muscle doesn't have to be a casualty of age. I'm Dr. David Thompson, and in the next 20 minutes I'll show you the single, daily habit that reliably tells your body to rebuild muscle, and the exact, practical steps to make it work for you, even if you've never lifted a weight in your life. Stick with me, and if this sounds like you, drop a quick yes in the comments so I know you're watching. The big idea, the one daily habit that rebuilds muscle. Here's the thing. Muscles respond to a signal. That signal is resistance, a force that makes the muscle work harder than usual. When you provide that challenge regularly, your body increases protein synthesis and rebuilds stronger fibers. That's why a short dose of resistance work each day, even 10 minutes, can be transformative over weeks and months. You'll be surprised how quickly everyday tasks start to feel easier. This is not magic. It's physiology, and it works in people age 60, 70, and beyond when done right. Tip number 1, resistance training deep dive. What, why, and how? Why it matters. Resistance training improves muscle size, strength, and function. The things that let you climb stairs, stand from a chair, and keep up with life. Clinically, properly designed programs increase strength and slow sarcopenia. How to start, step by step. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions a week that work all the major muscle groups: legs, hips, back, chest, shoulders, and core. But you can break those sessions into short daily mini sessions too. A safe beginner template: 2 sets of 8-12 slow, controlled repetitions for 6 to 8 basic moves: chair squats, seated rows with a band, wall push-ups, calf rises, hip bridges, and seated leg extensions. Increase slowly. When a set of 12 feels easy, add a rep, then a small weight or a tighter band. That principle, called progressive overload, is how muscles grow. Safety notes: breathe, move slowly, avoid pain. Soreness is okay. Sharp joint pain is not. And check with your doctor if you have heart disease, uncontrolled blood pressure, or recent surgery. If you have osteoporosis or joint replacements, use guided modifications, lighter resistance, higher reps, and attention to form. If you're already liking this, tap the like button. It helps other seniors find this video. And if you want a printable version of the 10-15-minute routine, say PDF please in the comments. Tip number 2, protein, timing, amount, and easy meals. Why it matters. Muscle needs amino acids to rebuild. Older adults often need a bit more protein than younger adults to get the same response. Many expert guidelines recommend at least 1.0 g per kg of body weight daily, and higher, 1.2 g/kg or more, if you're building muscle with exercise. Getting a decent portion of protein at each meal, especially at breakfast and after exercise, supports muscle protein synthesis. Practical examples: aim for roughly 25-35 grams of protein at breakfast. In the US, try Greek yogurt with mixed berries and a handful of nuts, or scrambled eggs and whole grain toast. In the UK, add extra beans or an egg to your toast, or Greek yogurt with oats. In Australia, try cottage cheese on toast with tomato, or a smoothie with milk and protein powder. If weight is a concern or you have kidney disease, check with your GP before increasing protein. Tip number 3, strength in small movements. Weave training into life. Here's where it gets practical. Strength doesn't only happen in a gym. Intentional repetitions of daily movements build functional muscle. Stand up from a chair without using your hands 5 times in a row while waiting for the kettle. Carry shopping bags in controlled sets rather than one heavy load. Rise onto your toes during TV ads to train calves. These short bursts add up and improve real-world strength and confidence. Evidence shows that functional resistance and activity-targeted programs improve mobility and limit disability in older adults. Tip number 4, hydration and electrolytes. The overlooked muscle fuel. Why it matters. Older adults store less body water and are more likely to become dehydrated, which impairs energy, concentration, and muscle function. Even mild dehydration can make muscles feel weak or cramp. Make sipping a habit. Aim to drink regularly through the day rather than waiting until you're thirsty. Plain water is great. Add a little milk or a bit of fruit juice after exercise for electrolytes if you sweat a lot. If you take diuretics or have heart or kidney disease, ask your doctor about your ideal fluid plan first. Tip number 5, balance and stability, small drills, big payoff. Why it matters. Falls are a leading cause of serious injury and loss of independence. Balance and functional exercises reduce falls and fall rates. Programs that combine strength and balance exercises do best. 5 to 10 minutes daily of targeted balance practice, single leg stands with support, tandem walking, heel-to-toe steps, makes a measurable difference. Make these drills part of your routine and you'll gain steadiness and confidence. Tip number 6. Rest, sleep, and recovery. How gains happen while you rest. Here's the science in a sentence. Exercise triggers repair. Sleep completes it. Muscle protein synthesis and recovery happen during rest and sleep. Aim for consistent sleep patterns and 7 to 8 hours per night when possible. If sleep is poor, the muscle-building response to training weakens and pain tolerance drops. Small habits, dim lights before bed, limit caffeine after mid-afternoon, and a short wind-down routine help a lot. And remember, recovery includes easy days and walking, not just naps. Active recovery keeps circulation moving and soreness manageable. Walking is excellent for heart health, mood, and joints, but it usually doesn't provide the mechanical load needed to grow muscle. If you depend only on walking, you may maintain cardiovascular fitness without stopping the steady loss of muscle mass. The best approach is a mix. Keep your walks for cardio and mood, and add short resistance sessions to rebuild muscle. That combination is what truly protects independence. Your 10-15 minute daily starter. Do this 3 to 5 times per week or split into 2 short sessions. 1. Sit to stand from a chair. 2 sets of 8-12. 2 polar countertop push-ups, 2 sets of 8 to 12. Seated band row or towel row, 2 sets of 10. 4. Standing calf raises, 2 sets of 12. 5. Single leg stands, 20-30 seconds each side. Progress by adding reps, slowing the movement, tightening the band, or adding a small weight. If you have arthritis, move through a comfortable pain-free range, use support as needed, and choose seated alternatives. If osteoporosis or recent joint replacement is a concern, avoid deep forward flexion or heavy spinal twisting, and consult your specialist for tailored exercises. So to recap, a short daily dose of resistance, the one habit, plus enough protein, smart hydration, balanced drills, good recovery, and turning chores into mini workouts is the practical blueprint to rebuild muscle and protect independence. Start small, be consistent, and measure progress by daily tasks. Climbing stairs, standing from a chair, carrying a bag, not by the scale. Imagine chasing your grandkids, gardening without stiffness, and returning to hobbies you love. That's what these habits deliver. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video. 7 foods that restore knee cartilage naturally. Tell me in the comments, which of these 6 habits will you try first? I'll reply and share tips. And remember, before you start any new program, check with your doctor if you have serious medical conditions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.